Hey, it's your girl Marky Spencer coming to you with another video. Today we're doing a chicken sandwich tutorial. Love that chicken from Marky. Okay, let me stop. But yeah, so let's begin. As always, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell to stay up to date with all upcoming tutorials. And let's begin. I'm going to start with 2 whole chicken breasts. I got this in the pack at my local grocery store. It's just for me and my husband, so I'm not cooking that much. But if you are cooking for more than 2 people, then you will want to double the recipe. Now I am flattening out the bigger half of the chicken breast. Here's an up close. Now we're going to season. We're going to season to taste. Here's a list of the seasonings that I use, although you can use whatever seasonings you prefer. I will also link everything down in the description box below as well. Now what we're going to do, we're going to prepare the dredge, which is 1.5 cup buttermilk plus 1.5 cup of flour, all purpose. Like I said before, this recipe is only for 2 people, and the way we're going to dredge the chicken is we're going to do a flour, buttermilk, flour, then fry, like so. Try not to make a mess. My bowls were not as big as they should have been, so that's why I decided to coat them the way I did. Alrighty, now the fun part. Let's begin. Once the oil is hot, careful. You want to drop the chicken breast and you're going to leave it in there to cook for about 5 to 8 minutes. Golden brown. This is a quick sandwich. It's easy to make, filling as well. And of course, the up close of our finished chicken breast. Yes, so beautiful and golden. Put that on a pan to dry. Here's the assembly of the sandwich. And don't forget to hit subscribe, hit the notification bell. It's your girl Marky. I hope this tutorial was easy to follow. Leave me a comment below. Until the next time, bye.